Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Let's start the class with the subject Maths of class 6. The name of our chapter is Basic Geometrical Ideas Today. In the chapter, several important geometrical terms are included which hold extreme importance in the later class. The main topic covered here are basic definitions of geometry, angles, triangles, quadrilaterals, and about circle. Let's see about definitions of geometry. What is geometry? The parts of mathematics that deal with such object as point, line, plane, and space is called geometry. Some of the geometrical objects are triangle, right triangle, circle, etc. Now, let's learn about point. What is point? Point is nothing but a small dot. Point is nothing but a small dot. For example, if you wanted to locate some place on a paper, so now take a paper and take your pencil, make it sharp. Now put a fine dot on the paper, so this dot locates some place on the paper. Now this dot becomes a point. What is the use of this point? These kinds of points are used to locate some area of some place on a paper, on a picture, or on a map. Next, we move on to a line segment. What is line segment? Just now, we have learned about 2 points. Here, there are 2 points. That a point denoted by a capital letter A and B. Now we are trying to connect this point. After connecting this point, it becomes a line segment. So what is line segment? Line segment is a line that connects 2 points in a short distance. Now let's talk about a line. What is a line? Here we have seen a line segment. It is extended between 2 points. For example, this line segment extended beyond this point A and B. Here it is extended indefinitely in the both direction. You can draw the end of your notebook. This shows that it is a continuous line on the both the side. So this line represents as line AB. Let's see about the intersecting line. What is intersecting line? If the 2 lines have only one common point, it is called intersecting line. If the 2 lines have only one common point, they are called intersecting line. 2 lines intersect at point P. It is line L and it is line M. Both the lines intersect at point P. For example, letter X and crossing line. Next, we will learn about parallel line. What is parallel line? Line which do not meet or intersect each other is called parallel line. Lines are parallel if they are always same distance apart and will never meet. See, it is a parallel line. They never meets. For example, railway track. Now, we'll discuss about collinear point. What is collinear point? Three or more points are collinear if all of them lie on the same line. In this figure, point P, Q and R are collinear because they lie on the same line L. Our next topic is concurrent line. What is concurrent line? Three or more lines in a plane are concurrent if they pass through the same point. Our next topic is ray. What is ray? The part of the line that extends indefinitely in one direction from a point is called ray. It has one end point. It has one end point. For example, sun ray and torchlight. It is extended indefinitely into any direction. Now, we will discuss about angle. What is an angle? An angle is a made up of two rays that have the same end point. In our day-to-day life, we see different shapes or different things where we find some corner. Here we find some angle even between the pages of the book. Also, we find the corner there are some angles. For example, the branch of a tree or the scissor. When you open the scissor to cut something, it looks like an angle. It is an angle. These two lines are called the arms. PQ and QR are called arms. And this part is called vertex. When two rays arranged at the common point is called vertex. This is two rays arranged the common point. Point is Q. So it is called vertex. We call this angle as angle PQR or angle RQP. PQR or angle RQP. And this part, PQ and QR, that's 2R. In between P and R, it is called the interior. The area between these two rays is called the interior of the angle. Whereas the outside portion of this angle is called exterior of the angle. Inside the angle is called interior, outside the angle is called exterior of the angle. Our next topic is triangle. What is triangle? A triangle is a simple closed figure which is made up of three line segments A, B and C. It has three sides and three angles. Which are the sides? AB, BC and CA. And which are the angles? ABC, BAC and CAB are the angles. So it is a closed figure made up of three line segments. These three line segments make three vertices. These are the three vertices. Vertex means, or you can say it as column. And then form a triangle. Total figure denoted as triangle ABC. Now, let's talk about the quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? Just now, made up of four line segments. Line segment AB, BC, CD and DA. They have four angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Next, we come to adjacent angle. What is an adjacent angle? Angle having only one common point into the side is called adjacent angle. Angles are
angle A and angle B, angle B and C, angle C and D, angle D and A.
These are the adjacent angles. Next, we come to adjacent side. What is an adjacent side? When two sides having common endpoint is termed as adjacent side. AB and BC is one pair, BC and CD is second pair, CD and DA is a third pair, and DA and AB is a fourth pair. Next, we come to opposite sides. What is an opposite side? Two sides of the quadrilateral are called opposite sides if they do not have common endpoint. AB opposite of AB is BC and opposite of BA or AD is CD. Now we will discuss about opposite angle. What is an opposite angle? Two angles of the quadrilateral which are not adjacent angle are known as opposite angle. A, B, C, D is quadrilateral, isn't it? What is the opposite of angle A? Opposite of A is C. What is the opposite of angle D? Opposite of angle D is D. Next, we will discuss about circle. In our day-to-day life, we see different shape or different object which we call this shape as circle. We see the wheel of a bicycle which is round in shape. We call this shape as a circle. Even if we see a bangle, it's also looking circular shape. Let us observe a cycle wheel. The cycle wheel has got a point in its middle, and the spoke arises from the middle. These are the spoke arises from the middle. To each edge. This part is called edge. The middle point of the cycle wheel is called the center of the circle. This part is called the center of the circle. The complete edge of this curved shape is called a circumference. The distance between the center point of any point of the curved edge from O to A or O to B or O to C or O to D at any point is called as radius. Now let's see the other part of the circle. Now we will discuss about a sector. What is a sector? A sector is enclosed by two rails and one arm. A sector is enclosed by two rails and one arm. Now we discuss about chord. What is a chord? The line connecting the 2 points A and B The line connecting the 2 points on the circumference of a circle A and B is called a chord. This part is called the arc. The smaller part is called the minor segment, and the bigger part is called the major segment. Now we will learn about the diameter. What is the diameter? The chord that passes through the center of the circle is called diameter. You shall see this is a circle. It is a chord passes through the center of the circle. It's called diameter. Now we will discuss about quadrant. What is a quadrant? If the two radius are of the right angle to each other is called the quadrant. You can say 1/4 part of the circle is called the quadrant. This part, all this part are called quadrant. This part is called quadrant 1/4. In the circle, how many parts it have? 4 parts. Each part is called quadrant. Now we come to the last topic, that is concentric circle. What is concentric circle? Two or more circles drawn with the same center is called concentric circle. Two or more circles drawn in the same center is called concentric circle. So lastly, I have completed the chapter. So I hope you have understood the chapter and meet you